In this lesson, we're going to talk about the showcase feature. And the showcase feature it allows you to create a dedicated video showcase page for all your videos or a subset of them. And though you may not use this frequently, it is handy if you need it in a pinch. For instance, let's just say I'm rolling out TubeFlow and I don't got time to set up all the pages. I just need a page where you can see my tutorial videos, right? And I might just put it up temporarily or so forth. I've got the videos in TubeFlow. I'm working on the website, but I really need to make these available quickly. You could even do this for a summit, frankly. You could create showcases for each day of the summit, send people to a virtual summit, to the showcase page. For that, it's actually interesting. I may even test that now that I think of it. But let's go here. So we've come into our you come into Video Drive. We're going to go to showcases. We're going to create a showcase, and let's just call it the TubeFlow. Now that I said that, TubeFlow Summit is the showcase name, and TubeFlow Summit is the slug. Now the slug is kind of the page name of it. So it's gonna use a TubeFlow URL with a subdomain of showcases. You'll see it in a second. Your username, and then it's going to put this at the end. So maybe I would put like TubeFlow Summit Day 1. Let's just say I'm going to do that. All right, so that's the name of the showcase. In order for people to actually see this page on the internet, you need to turn this on. So most of the time, unless it's in draft mode, you'll leave it. You'll turn it on for public. And then auto listing means anytime you upload any video, it's going to put it in the showcase. So let's say you wanted to create one with every video you got for whatever reason. It might even be handy for you to have a secret page of every video you got, so you can go peek and see what's out there and find out where a particular video is, or where a particular spot in a video is. You could just see all your videos in one place. For me, it's probably way too large for me to ever do that. So most of the time, you're going to just leave this off and select public and just select a subset of your videos. And we'll do that next. So we're going to create the showcase, okay? And so we created the one called TubeFlow Summit. So we're just going to click on here and edit the showcase page. And really, it's pretty simple in here, right? So it's set up your settings and then add your videos. Now, we could change the slug here. We can change those 3 settings if we need to. We can turn the banner on and off. I'm going to leave it on just to show you this. I did a thing for Matt Stone called Undercovers with Matt Stone. It was a bonus for a cover purchase. So I'm going to put that in here. And you'll see I just like the cartoony feel of it. And then I can just set the page theme. So you could set it to system, and that means whatever they've got their system to, whoever views the page, their system will determine whether it's light or dark. Or we can set it to light or dark ourselves. Fixed, right? Now my system is set to dark, but I'm going to set it to dark anyway. Okay. And I like to save things as I go. Then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to say, now I could just click all my videos. I don't really want to do that. So I could click them all in, and yeah, I don't really want to do that. I want those TubeFlow tutorial videos. So we're going to add them on. We can, now, one quick thing is they will be listed in the order you add them, right? So if you're thinking of stuff, you plan out your order, because you can't drag and drop them around. But since I'm coming in here, TubeFlow videos, it's gonna be in this order. So I'm gonna select those. And now we've got these videos here, okay? And that's it. I've got my showcase. Now, let's go check it out. So we're going to share it, copy the clipboard. So then I would say, hey, you want to check out these videos? I just send them this link. You can see how the TubeFlow Day 1 kind of got added to the end there. And this page is live and on the internet, and people can come and watch the videos and so forth. It's interesting that, if I was in a pinch and I was doing a virtual summit, I might just put the 5 interviews right here for day 1, 5 or 6 for day 2, have 5 different showcases, and quickly you could run a summit with ToobFlow. Now, I would like Personally, since I'm a Summit aficionado, I would like to have pages where they can buy the ups, the premium pass, and so forth. But this is, look how quickly we created a page with our videos on the internet using ToobFlow. Pretty darn cool. And so you may want to make use of that.